guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shardemarie if you are new here, and from the title of the video you guys can tell today we are doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. We're really just going to be focusing on the eyes because the base is just really simple, and I just really wanted to zone in on the eyes because that's what's really going to be catching your date's attention is the eyes. Oh, and also the lips as well. So yeah, before we hop into this video, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoy these type of videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so let's hop right into this video. As you guys can see, my eyebrows are already on and they look harsh. Please don't come for them, okay? I used a different pencil than my normal one, and they just look way more filled in and brown compared to how they normally look. So yeah, just don't judge them, okay? I also already primed my face with my e.l.f. putty primer, but the point of this video is really just focusing on the eyes, so you don't have to really worry about the face, but I just wanted to bring that to attention just in case somebody wanted to come for the eyebrows. That's why. Anywho, today we are going to be using our Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop to create this Valentine's Day look for you girls and guys out there. And this palette is relatively cheap. This also came out during Valentine's Day, I think sometime last year. I used it before, but I haven't used it since then. So I wanted to use it again for this video. So let's hop right into it. We're actually going to prime my eyes first. I'm tossed up between using this Vidyard one or this e.l.f. putty primer or eye primer, but it's in white. I think I'm just going to stick with the Vidyard one. And I got this in a BoxyCharm sometime last month. And I use it from time to time, but not as much as I should. So it looks like it's a, if you've never seen it, it's like a silicone type of primer. Okay, so now that that's on, first thing we're going to go into is the color called Cutouts, and we're going to use that color as our crease color. Well, actually as our transition color. And I'm just taking this BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes brush in number 8. Okay, so now that we got that down, now we're going to take another color and actually place that right underneath of the Cutouts color, and we're going to go into the color called Poodles, which is like this pink color. And I'm taking this Alter Ego number 3 brush, and we're just going to place that right underneath of the Cutouts color. Okay, one thing I will say about that primer is definitely showing off by making these colors very pigment, but ColourPop normally has really pigment colors anyway, so this is nothing new. So the next color we're going to go to is the color called Too Much. Oops. Too Much down here. So now this is a matte with shimmer in it, but we're using it as a matte. I'm sure while you're blending it in, the shimmers probably most likely will disappear, but just be reminded that too much is a shimmer, not a shimmer, it's a matte with shimmer in it. It has like greenish gold reflex in it. And we're basically going to do a halo eye with this, so we're focusing it on the outer corners and inner corners, because in the middle we're doing a glitter. So okay, so now that we built it up to our liking, so you can do one swipe of it or you can build it up like this if you want to. It all depends on you. Let's go into our glitter. So this is a pressed glitter. So normally pressed glitters are not meant for immediate eye areas, so I will just say be careful with it. And however, if you want to, you could use a glitter glue. I don't know if I have any. Let me see. Yeah, I'm sure I gave away my glitter glue to my sister because I don't wear glitter like that. So there was really no point of me keeping. Can you focus? Thank you. There's really no point of me keeping a glitter glue when I don't really use glitter. So we won't have to just raw dog this one. However, I'm going into the color called Indigo, and I'm just going to take my finger, pat, and we're just going to place that in the center. Which is another reason why you should do your face last, just because when you have glitter, is a possibility that it will fall on your face makeup. So to avoid trying to flick it off or everything like that, just do your face last, do your eyes first. You know, a little tip. And I'm just going to take that same brush that we had for that purple, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of it. Glitter all over me, but this is what it is. Excuse me, it is what it is. So now let's move on to liner. For liner, I'm going to take my Bella Pierre Cosmetics liner, and we're just going to do a nice little wing. Okay, make sure that the liquid liner that you're using is able to go over the glitter, because it, like I said, it is a tad bit messy. So for mascara today, I'm just taking my Fat Lash from AOA Studio. I don't want anything crazy, just because we are putting on some dramatic lashes to go with this dramatic look. Okay, and lashes of choice today are my E11s from AliExpress. The reason why I picked these because they're thick, but they're also short enough where they're not going to take away from the eye look. So I'm going to throw these on. I'm also going to do my face makeup off camera, and then we'll be back to finish up the eyes and do the lip. Okay, so this is what the face is looking like. If you are interested in knowing what I have on the face, I'll have everything listed down below. So now we're going to hop back into the palette, and we're going to go back into Too Much and rub that on, not rub that, but place that on our bottom lash line. Now if you want a little bit more razzle dazzle, you can also put that glitter Indigo right in the center, but I think that's enough up top. We don't need it down at the bottom too. Okay. Same mascara. Okay. I'm gonna put a color in the what is this called? The inner corner part. I'm gonna go into Sweet Dreams and just place that in the corners. You can also place this color underneath of your eyebrows. I don't never really highlight my eyebrows, but if that's what you do, you can do that. Okay, and last but not least for the eyes, we're going to throw in a nude or like a yellow, like a nude yellow type of color. So I'm taking this long lasting shadow stick from AOA Studio. This is actually in the color Matte Yogurt, and we're going to put this in our waterline. Okay, and this is supposed to add just a tad bit more brightness to our eyes because it looks like our eyes are shut because of how heavy the top is, so we need some brightness. And don't mind my eyes being red. That's how they normally are once I start doing my makeup and everything. My eyes turn like super red, so yeah. But now that that's done, we can now focus on the lips. So let me just comb out this hair. Alright, so let's work on the lips. So now, the lips, I was going back and forth whether I wanted to do a nude or a pinky mauve color. I'm leaning towards a purple mauve, I think. I think that's what I'm leaning towards. So I'm actually going to line my lips with this Sephora Lip Liner in Wine O'Clock, or Wino. Actually, it's just called Wino. It's in Wino. I'm going to line my lips with this first. Okay. And then I'm going to take this Fresh Kiss Lip Cream from ColourPop in the color Teen Spirit. This is what the color looks like. It's like a purple, pink mauve type of color. I think it matches the eye color perfectly. Yeah, good move. However though, I still need a tad bit more depth to the lips, so I'm gonna go with Old Faithful, the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Cola. Just deepen it up a tad bit, you know, make it more my style, you know. This ain't bad though, so you can leave it like this, but I need to make it more my style. Yeah, there we go. That. It has more depth to it now. So, I'm going to put on my jewelry and everything so you guys can get the full look. And then we'll be back to close off this video. Okay guys, so this is the final look with the jewelry on and everything, so you guys get the full effect. And yeah, I think this was relatively simple eye look. Yeah, it's a lot. It's not like a simple Valentine's Day makeup look, but I love it. I think this is for the girls that want to do a little bit more extra, just want to be out there a little bit more. You can wear this for Valentine's if you are single, or if you're going to a, not want to say to a nice restaurant, because this might be a little bit too much for like a super fancy one, but if you're going to like a restaurant that's like high class but still has that homey feel, I think this would be perfect for it. And I don't know if I will wear this romper. This actually is a romper I plan on donating maybe to my little sister or something, because it doesn't really fit me well. However, because of the red hair and the purple tones and the pink tones with it, it actually goes. So yeah, I love this look and I hope you guys do too. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video, which will probably be another Valentine's Day look. Probably something more simple for the simple girls out there. But I wanted to start off this Valentine's Day video with a bang, and I'm in love, especially this lip. I love this lip. Yeah. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, as well as follow me over on my vlogging channel, Shardemarie TV. I'll have it linked below and in the cards above. I'm starting a whole new series over there about my rediscovery. And yeah, so if you are on the same path as me and you just want to learn about what I'm about to go through, or what I am teaching myself to go through, then head on over there and subscribe to that channel as well. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I love you. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
It's a 5 on a Saturday.